A story of numbers consists of 4 chapters. We speak Spanish, your bank speaks Portuguese. Business loves to talk about profitability, but your profit is only a quarter of your story. A good storyteller should have a process whereby you look at chapter 1 profit, your revenue, your margins, your overheads, your EBIT. People need to understand and see the numbers in their head. Chapter 1 is pretty visible in an organization. Chapter 2, working capital, equally important to your profitability. Working capital is measured in days. Your receivables, how quickly people pay you. Your inventory, or in a service company, your work in progress, how quickly or slowly you are billing the client. How quickly or slowly you're collecting from your suppliers, your accounts payable. What you need to know at your meeting is your days, your receivables, your inventory, your WIP, and your payables. Some companies have got a chapter 3. They've invested in infrastructure, land and buildings, plant and machinery, computer equipment. Are we getting proper utilization of that investment? You cannot understand chapter 4. Chapter 4 is your funding as measured by your cash. You cannot understand cash by looking at profit. You cannot read a book and start at chapter 1 and say, I understand my book, it's a great story. William is doing brilliantly in his profit, 4.6 million EBIT, but his cash flow is minus 3.2 million. In order to understand your cash, you need to have a logical process, looking at chapter 1, then chapter 2, if applicable chapter 3, resulting in your cash. The quick way to calculate net cash flow, the movement in your borrowings plus your cash at bank. We speak Spanish, your bank speaks Portuguese. Every bank looks at your cash flow as measured by your capacity to repay. When the bank puts pressure on your business, it means you've got a cash flow or a chapter 4 problem. You're going to fix chapter 4 by a combination of chapter 1 profit and chapter 2 working capital. Cash flow story will provide you with an automated process to look at your complete 4-chapter story.